Welcome to our new tutorial. Today, we're diving into the world of database scaling by creating a read replica of our MariaDB. A read replica is a read-only copy of a DB instance that can help reduce the load on your primary database. This is especially useful for read-heavy workloads and can help you scale beyond the capacity constraints of a single DB instance. To get started, go ahead and select the MariaDB instance you want to replicate. Click on it, and then look for the Create Read Replica option in the Actions menu at the top right. When creating your read replica, you'll need to specify a DB instance identifier. It's also recommended to choose the same type of DB instance class as your main database. Now, sit back and relax while AWS creates and configures your main and replica databases. You might want to grab a coffee during this process. Once it's done, you'll notice that the endpoints for your main and replica databases are different. This shows that your read replica is up and running. In addition to creating the read replica, we'll also walk through the process of establishing a Lambda connection with your database. To do this, click the Actions button at the top right and select Set up Lambda connection. Next, choose the option to create new functions, and give your function a meaningful name. This Lambda function will allow you to interact with your database seamlessly. While setting up RDS Proxy can enhance scalability and resilience, we'll skip it in this tutorial. RDS Proxy is a fully managed, highly available database proxy for Amazon RDS designed to make applications more robust. However, in this tutorial, we'll stick to the basics of connecting your Lambda function directly to your database. Now that your Lambda function is set up, you can start writing code that connects to the database. With this tutorial, you've learned how to create a read replica of your MariaDB instance, allowing you to efficiently scale your database for read-heavy workloads. You've also seen the basics of connecting a Lambda function to your database. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more AWS tutorials.